P51 IV Arm Trainer. Connect both tubes to the blood reservoir and securely attach the opposite ends to the arm connectors. To make preparation easier, remove the blood reservoir container from the base before mixing the blood solution. Pour 730 milliliters of clean water into the blood container, filling it to the marked level. Add the recommended amount of artificial blood powder, approximately 7 grams. Stir thoroughly until the powder is completely dissolved. Before filling the system, ensure the solution is free of any undissolved particles. You can adjust the water-to-powder ratio to achieve your preferred blood color and consistency. Place the blood container securely into the reservoir base. Close the reservoir lid firmly to help prevent leakage. Before use, perform a final system check. Ensure all internal tubes are securely connected and verify that no tubing is kinked, twisted, or disconnected. Finally, confirm that both the intake and return tubes are correctly positioned inside the reservoir. Ensure the reservoir handle is fully pushed down and locked into position. Repeatedly press the circulation pump to fill the venous system with artificial blood. Continue pumping until the return tubing is completely filled and no air bubbles are visible. Once all checks have been completed, the system is ready for training. To empty the system, pull the reservoir handle upward. Then repeatedly press the circulation pump until all artificial blood is returned to the reservoir. Confirm that the veins and tubing are completely empty before disconnecting the system. To replace the insertion site, gently remove it from the arm housing. Unscrew the luer lock connectors on both sides and disconnect the tubing. Position the new insertion site in the designated cavity. Reconnect the tubing and tighten the luer lock connectors securely, taking care not to over-tighten them. Ensure the insertion site is fully seated and flush with the arm surface. The hand part is replaced using the same procedure as pad insertion site. When fitting the new hand, align the silicone locating tabs with the corresponding slots in the mounting core, then press the hand firmly into place. Ensure all silicone tabs are fully in their slots, and that the hand is fully aligned with the arm. For detailed operating instructions, please refer to the product manual.